Hi guys, welcome back to Michelle's Cozy Kitchen. In today's video, I am going to show you how to clean and season chicken wings. Before I get started, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to learn how to cook Caribbean delicious dishes. And don't forget to click the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. I upload videos every Friday. In this container, I have some chicken wings to which I have added water, just enough to cover them, and the juice of 2 limes. They have been soaking for about 10 minutes, and this is how the water looks after 10 minutes. I don't know if you've ever realized it, but I've noticed that every time I purchase wings, there are these feathers on the wings, which means they have not been cleaned properly. So this is one of the reasons why I clean my wings. Now, if you look at this wing in my hand, you will see that there is a feather pointing out of it. There are more on it as well. So what I normally do is to take a knife and remove the feathers from the chicken. Now, I do not want to be eating chicken with any feathers. I'm just going to clean all around the edges as well as the tip of the chicken to remove any feathers that I see. And this is what I'm doing, guys. Even though chicken wings do not have on a lot of fat, there are still instances where you might just find a piece. And so I am going to cut whatever unnecessary fat that I find on the chicken wings. After cleaning, I am going to place it into a separate container so as to separate those that are clean and those that have not been cleaned as yet. Now I'm going to clean another chicken wing so that you can see exactly what I am doing in terms of removing the feathers and any fat that may be found. And it's pretty simple, guys. I don't know if you have ever done it, but this is what I normally do before I cook any of my chicken wings. I am going to repeat this process until all of the chicken wings have been cleaned. Now guys, this is something that we also practice in the Caribbean. We do this every time we buy chicken wings or any meat product. We always soak them in water with either lime or vinegar, but I prefer using lime because I find that it cleans the products better. Once I'm finished cleaning them, I am going to rinse them a few times until the water runs clear. And I'm rinsing them in cold water, guys, not hot water. Always rinse your meat products in cold water. Once they have been rinsed properly, I am going to ensure that all the water is drained from the container, and then I'm going to season them. And for the seasonings, I'm going to use paprika, cayenne pepper, adobo complete seasoning, onion powder, diced red and green bell peppers, onion, and garlic, of course. I'm going to apply the seasoning to the chicken, then shake them to flip them so that I can add some more to the other side. I am flipping the chicken a few times so that all of them can get coated with the seasoning. Then I'm going to add the rest of the seasoning. Once the powdered seasoning have been added, I am going to grate a few cloves of garlic onto the chicken. And here I am grating the garlic, guys. The garlic gives the chicken a really good flavor when you're eating it. In addition to the garlic, I'm going to add some diced red and green bell peppers along with some onion, but the onion I am going to grate it onto the chicken. And I grate it because this will help the onion to infuse into the chicken quickly. Once all of the seasonings have been applied, I am going to flip them over a few more times to ensure that all of them are coated with all of the seasoning. And here they are, cleaned and seasoned chicken wings. Then I am going to set it aside in a Ziploc bag because I am not cooking it right away. So I'm going to add it to a Ziploc bag and store it in the refrigerator until I am ready to cook it. If you are going to cook it now, guys, set them aside for about 20 to 30 minutes to allow the seasoning to properly go through them. Then you can cook them. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, guys, and thanks for viewing. Why don't you check out my video on how to clean and season drumsticks, as well as all of my other videos on this channel. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you want to learn how to cook delicious Caribbean dishes, and please click the notification bell.